What's up? We're gonna start picking at this car and start getting some of the dumb stuff done that is not gonna be fun. I feel like I'm still like in the teardown phase and not in the build up phase, and I want to get to the build phase. So I want to take the dash out so that I can start getting the computer mounted, and I want to take the gas tank out. So what I've already done in preparation is I used the siphon and got most of the gas out, and I got it partially started. I got to pull the dash out. I'm kind of like all over the place. I'm gonna pull the dash out. I've already got it loose. I have to drop the column a little bit so I can get it out, because I need to start figuring out where I'm going to mount that big old computer along with my fuse block right here. I got to mount that underneath the dash. So we'll plug into this. Take out the cruise control, aftermarket cruise control with all the wiring. That'll clear up some wiring down below. And I'll start there. So that cruise control is weird. What I did was I got most of it unhooked. There was a wire going down underneath the tunnel. There's two wires coming here to this post deal. I have no idea what this is. Right here. I don't even know. So I got to pull that off. I already pulled off this, which was underneath the car, like aiming at the drive shaft. So I don't know if it like sensed the revolutions on there. I don't even know. And then this is the cruise control computer box that was underneath the dash, along with this deal right here, which was attached to the brake pedal, and then this beauty on the column. So it's pretty crazy. But this is going to clear up a lot of wiring underneath the dash, so I got to pull it out. I have no idea how that worked. So whatever, clean up and make more room. All right, dash is out. It was kind of a pain because this is still really stiff, the steering column, so it doesn't really go down that far to get the dash cluster out, which is this, but got it out. Now I can't forget that this screwed into the back of the cluster. Can't forget that. That's why I'm doing this. This is the main cluster plug-in. This is whatever plug-in for light that goes next to this into the back of the cluster. And I have a ground that goes right here. So I can't forget those dealies when I put it back. Now I've got all this room to work in here and to kind of figure out my wiring, because it was going to be hard to get under there with the dash in there, so that'll be easier access. So now move on to the gas tank. I'm going to get the gas tank out. Let's do a quick intermission because I got a package today, just a little bit ago, and I'm pretty sure this is my radiator for the Nova. Oh, I see something. Let me put you down for a sec. Sure you can see. Shroud. Package pretty nice. Open that in a second. I think the packaging is pretty darn good. I'm sure you guys can still see. Oh, that's pretty. Look at this beauty. This should be tranny cooler, drain, steam port, and your radiator ports. This is an LS swap radiator, so it should be a direct fit. You know what? Kind of just wanted to set it in here for a second, so I'll put you over here. Let's just set it in. Make sure that hinge isn't covering. That fits nice. So it comes with these side brackets, but you don't have to use them. I don't know if I will, because this can hold it in. But man, that's a good fit. I got a little room on this side to move over. I put it right up against this side. Ah, that came in good. I'm really stoked so far that this came in and it wasn't damaged at all. And it looks to fit good. I'm really happy with that. I love it when I can get stuff and I don't have to modify. Oh, awesome. That might be too tight to fit in these rubber brackets, but we're not even to that point yet, so we'll find out. I'm afraid to leave it there. Cool thing is that's not all that came with this radiator. It also came with, oh, this is ugly. Okay. This is freaking ugly and cheesy as crap. I do not like this plasticky chrome. I don't mind that it's plastic, I just don't like the fake chrome. I wonder how this compares to the Taurus fan that I bought. A little smaller. But I liked it because it came with this shroud. It's supposed to work perfectly with this radiator. Oh, so there's room to play. I may figure out how to use the Taurus fan with this shroud. I mean, this will probably be fine, but it's kind of ghetto. And it only looks like one speed. So, like, see, only got 2 wires there. On the Taurus fan, I know that it's 2 speed. It's got high and low speed right here. And this pumps out over like 4,000 CFMs, whereas this one is like 27, but this might be enough. I don't know. It's probably fine. I just don't like the ghetto look of it. But I am stoked about the radiator itself. That's nice. One more part. Gosh, I just want to start building this thing. Okay. I gotta get focused and start tearing apart stuff like I'm supposed to be. Okay, I got the back end all jacked up. I want to show you guys something on this side first. How beautiful this exhaust is. Look at that. I think that was part of my problem. Okay. Now, I am going to get this tank out of here and then cut this exhaust the rest of the way out of here. And then see what we got. Look how bad these are. This is nasty. And basically, the spring's like sitting on the frame. Yeah, suspension's shot, but that'll come later. So let's take this gas tank out of here. I've never done this before, so we'll figure it out. Oh, yep. Cinder. Okay. This basically just pops right off of that. But look at this. That's like legit old school carpet. What the heck? That's crazy. Let's take a look under here. Actually, it looks good. I'm happy. There's some rust. I'm not gonna worry about it, but nice. Okay. I'm kind of having fun just cutting crap and not bolting everything. That shouldn't come off like that. Alright. I think this is where I'm going to call it today. Or at least for this video. I got the tank is out. The muffler is out right there. And I'm just laying under here looking at everything. I gotta start pulling out all these fuel lines. Figure out what all these are. That junction's all sketchy. I don't know what those all go to. So, just some stuff to figure out. And so I figure this will be a good point to call it. It's so nice outside. And I'm actually relaxed just laying here on my concrete floor with the office playing and looking how my trunk is not rusted. I'm excited about that. Plenty of rust everywhere else, but at least the trunk's good. Right on.